Hi, welcome back to First Choice Projects. Today we are replacing the bumper on the golf cart. As you can see on the back here, there are 4 holes that will hopefully correspond to what is currently holding the bad bumper onto the golf cart. And let's take a look. So just a reminder, this is the place where the old bumper, or the current bumper is, has seen some action. Looks like it was pushed back pretty far, so I'm hoping there's no damage behind there. We got to get this off first to find out. Okay. All right, get all 4 bolts off. Let's see what kind of damage. And that is pushed back and loose. I'm not sure what's going on there. Yeah, that whole thing. This whole thing here is bent. This part's bent backwards. Oh boy. So I may need new ones of those. Let's take this off, see what we got. Oh, that's really bent. I just noticed that. What is that? This doesn't really seem to be holding anything though, so I'm not sure. It looks like it used to be up here. Used to be holding the front on. Man, they bumped into something good with this thing. Well, I don't think that's a need to have, it's a nice to have. Yeah, so this is really jacked up here. This piece up here, you can see, there's a bolt up here that used to attach the front of the body. I'm not worried too much about that because that is directly attached to the frame, and all it's doing is holding this front part on a little bit. All right, well, let me see what I can order as far as a replacement for this guy, because he is definitely bent, especially this side. The other side doesn't look too bad. This one doesn't look horrible. It is twisted though. See that? Well, dang. All right, I was hoping this would be an easy fix, but no such luck.
Oh, that's how it goes on?
Yep. And then two screws there on either side. All right, we got the bumper on. It needs to be tightened up, but I've got to get my ratchet set out of storage, so it's on there pretty good. It looks a lot better than the other one. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next episode. I have no idea what we're going to be doing next. We do have a voltage indicator to tell how much battery life we have, so we may be putting that one in next. But thanks for watching, and please, if you like the content, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and you'll be the first to know when the new whatever comes out. So, thanks.